Hey everyone, Old Man Smithers here. This wasn't a planned tutorial. It was one of those, I have a problem and I couldn't find a good answer. So this is me creating an answer for somebody else that runs into the same problem. So the problem was I wanted to be able for the viewers in my Twitch stream to type in song and find out what was playing currently from Spotify. Now they have a lot of functionality out there for YouTube, but the problem with YouTube is if you use YouTube songs and videos without permission, they end up muting your channel. I don't like that. So I use music from Twitch's music library, the approved list. Got some good music in there, but I used Spotify in order to play it, and I couldn't find anything where Nightbot or MooBot or anybody would be able to use Spotify to give me that functionality that I wanted. So after about 2.5 hours of poking around and looking through Nightbot documentation, I figured out how to do it. That's about 2 hours and 20 minutes too long. It only takes about 10 minutes. That's what we're going to show you right now. How to get Spotify, the song playing in Spotify, to show up in Twitch chat. Not the overlays. They got a lot of tutorials out there, but you know, I don't like a whole lot of clutter on the screen, so I just wanted it through chat. That's what we're going to do right now. So here it is.
Make the ground shake.
Okay, so in order to do this, you need 4 things. You need a Last.fm account, which you can find up here at this address right here. You need a Spotify account, obviously, which you can find at that address. You need a Nightbot account, which hopefully you know what Nightbot is. If not, you can go to that address and find out. It's a great tool. And then, of course, you need a Twitch account. Now, you'll notice here, I do already have Nightbot as a moderator. You're going to need to go ahead and make sure that happens before you can actually start giving commands to Nightbot and that kind of thing, expect any response. But that's part of the Nightbot setup, so I don't expect you to have too much trouble with that. So first you go to Last.fm. And you sign up for a Last.fm account if you don't have one already. It's pretty simple, pretty easy to do. As part of the installation process, or at least the setup process, they're going to have this start scrobbling. Scrobbling is what they call their particular functionality. Last.fm basically takes songs that you play and songs from other online sources, as you can see here, and it sort of keeps track of them, and then it gives you recommendations based on those. So scrobbling is like sort of like sharing a song from another spot with Last.fm. And if you already know this, great. It was new to me. I'd never heard of scrobbling. I still don't like that word, but whatever. So you're going to see what you're looking at here as part of the setup process. If not, just go ahead and click on where I clicked on earlier, and it'll bring you to this screen. As you can see, a lot of different options here. You're going to go ahead and click on Spotify. Whenever you click on Spotify, it pops up that window and basically asks you to link Last.fm with Spotify. Once you say OK, it then opens up Spotify. Now Spotify has a window in there, asks you to go ahead and enter in your Last.fm password or username and password. Once you do that, it shows the little Last.fm tab on there, and then if you really want to check and make sure it linked successfully, you can go up to edit and then down to preferences, and as you can see, that first little thing at the very top shows the username and password for your for your Last.fm account. Once that's done, you can go back to Twitch. Once you're in Twitch, go down and you can type !adcom space !song $ open parentheses Last.fm space and then your username, and then close parentheses, just like you're seeing right here. So the first part is !adcom, that's adding a custom command. The second part is we're naming it song, so that way that's what the user types in to find out what the song is. And then that last part obviously is the variables for this particular command. You need to put in your Last.fm username, not your Spotify, your Last.fm username. And provided you have everything set up right, whenever you hit enter, you should see Nightbot answer that the command has been created. So at that point, we're going to go ahead and start up a song from our playlist here for Twitch. And you can see it's Boom. Let's go ahead and swap it over. Let's go BAPU. Yeah, BAPU. And then when a user types in !song from now on, Nightbot will then answer with the name right there. Let's go ahead and swap again. We'll look around here. What do we got? What do we got? Let's get this one, Battle Cry. It's a great song. So once it starts up, give it a couple seconds, and then whenever you type in song again, Nightbot will then answer Battle Cry. So that right there in a nutshell is how you do the song that you're playing in Spotify to show up in Twitch chat. Again, this isn't an overlay. There's plenty of tutorials out there for overlays. I don't like that. People come here to watch the game, you know, and a lot of text and all that kind of distracts from that. Others may differ. That's awesome. But for me, I just want it in the chat. This is how we get those Spotify songs in the chat. So I hope this quick little tutorial has been useful for you. Hopefully, if anybody runs into the same problem, they'll be able to Google that now, like I was. I was trying every iteration of, you know, damn it, just put the song from Spotify in Twitch chat. And I wasn't having any luck. But in the end, it was a very simple fix. So hope this helps, and I will see you guys around next time. Take it easy.
Oh, you like video games? I like video games too. In fact, I like making videos of video games. So if you like what you saw here and you want to see more of it, go ahead and hit subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can also catch me on Facebook, Twitter, or oldmansmithersgaming.com, all of which will let you know whenever I'm online and streaming. Also, make sure you check out some of the videos that we have here. We have other tutorials, we have some Let's Plays. It's just all about having fun. So appreciate y'all joining me. Hope to see you around.